Do you want to automate your data collection to feed your continuous improvement opportunities? Then this video is for you. Digital lean management enables information to flow with few or no interruptions, and this is a game changer. In this week's tutorial, I will show you how to automatically collect and analyze Microsoft Update's app data to drive continuous improvement. We'll even use Copilot to assist in preparing for root cause analysis. If you're new to Microsoft Updates, check out part 1 of this series for a demo. Now let's get started by joining Lynne on her Gemba Walk. Let's now follow Lynne, the plant manager at Evergreen Renewable Energy, as she conducts her daily Gemba Walk. Lynne uses these walks to engage directly with employees on the shop floor, gaining real-time insights into operational issues and maintaining a hands-on approach to problem solving. One of the reasons Lynne loves using Microsoft Updates for her Gemba Walk is the speed and efficiency it offers. With just a few taps on her tablet, she can record her observations, take pictures, and ensure that the information flows seamlessly across the company. Today, during her walk, Lynne reaches the east section of the solar panel field and notices some damage to one of the panels. Instead of taking notes on paper or sending an email later, she pulls up the short interval control update in the Microsoft Updates app. Within seconds, she logs the issue, selects the appropriate categories, and uploads pictures of the damaged panel directly into the app. The data is instantly submitted and visible to the maintenance team, who are notified in real time. They can now take immediate action on the repair, minimizing downtime and ensuring that this issue is logged for future analysis. This is a perfect example of how Lynne's Gemba Walk is not just about observing and identifying problems, but also enabling immediate response and continuous improvement. And thanks to Microsoft Updates, all the information she gathers is centralized and standardized for better tracking and analysis down the line. So the first thing we need to do is to set up where this information will be recorded. For simplicity, we're going to create a Microsoft list in the management team that we'll call Short Interval Control. Each question from the Microsoft Updates questionnaire will have its own column in the list, and we'll configure each of these columns as string data types so they can store the text and other inputs submitted by Lynne and her team during their Gemba walks. Now that we have the structure in place, we need to automate the flow of information so that everything runs seamlessly in the background. For this, we'll use Power Automate. This allows us to automatically transfer the data from Microsoft Updates into our Microsoft list without any manual intervention. We'll create a simple flow that takes the information Lynne submits in Microsoft Updates and adds a new entry into the issue log in our short interval control list. Here's how to set it up. Open Power Automate and select Automated Cloud Flow. As the trigger for the flow, choose When I receive a new update tied to a specific request. Then, select the Microsoft update that you want to use. In our case, this is the Short Interval Control update. Now, add an action to create an item in SharePoint. This is where the data will flow into our Microsoft list. Next, click Show All, and for each of the columns we've set up in the Microsoft list, map them to the corresponding fields from the Microsoft Updates submission. The great thing here is that all the fields in Microsoft Updates are readily available to use for automation, so the data can flow effortlessly into the system without any interruptions. This automation ensures that Lynne's observations, such as the damage she noticed on the solar panel, are instantly recorded and logged for later analysis and immediate action by the maintenance team. Automating the flow of information not only reduces administrative work, but also eliminates the need for Lynne or her team to manually transfer findings into various files for analysis. With this setup, their observations, controls, and Gemba walks are always captured and updated in real time, ensuring the team has the most current data available. This streamlined approach allows for more accurate and effective analysis while freeing up time for more value-added activities. Now, ideally, Lynne would like to view the issue log in a report that is easy to digest, so she can identify trends and key issues that should be prioritized in a root cause problem-solving session, for instance. To achieve this, Lynne exports the data from the Microsoft list directly into Power BI. From the Microsoft list, she clicks on Export to Power BI, selects a name for her report, chooses a workspace to store it in, and clicks Continue. Just like that, the dataset is added to Power BI. After just a couple of minutes, it's ready for analysis in her workspace. Now, Lynne has several options. She could create a custom report tailored specifically to her needs, but if time or resources are limited, Power BI offers a quick and efficient solution. By clicking on the ellipsis next to her dataset and selecting Auto Create, Power BI generates a report for her in seconds. Of course, the auto-generated report can still be modified. Lynne is particularly interested in root causes, so she filters out any empty fields and focuses on the key data points she needs. With minimal effort, the data that started as a simple Microsoft update has now been transformed into a fully functional dashboard, highlighting key issues and root causes. Finally, To keep everything centralized and accessible, Lynne adds this newly created report into the corresponding Microsoft Teams channel, helping to build a complete lean management system, all in one place. Now it's time to add a little Copilot and Gen AI magic to our digital lean journey. Lynne is preparing her team for a root cause problem-solving session, focusing on the issues identified during the Gemba Walks and logged in the short interval control system. To facilitate collaboration and brainstorming, she sets up a digital whiteboard in Microsoft Teams. This whiteboard will serve as the central space for her team to brainstorm potential root causes and solutions. To get started, Lynne uses the whiteboard application from Microsoft 365, and instead of starting from scratch, she prepares an Ishikawa, or fishbone template. But she doesn't stop there. Lynne leverages the power of Microsoft Copilot to enhance the session preparation. With just a few prompts, Copilot helps her generate initial brainstorming ideas, which she adds to the whiteboard. By doing this, Lynne ensures that her team won't be starting from a blank page during the session, making it easier for them to dive straight into problem solving. To bring even more structure to the meeting, Lynne asks Copilot to categorize the generated ideas. This way, the team will have a clearer framework to work within, allowing them to focus on the most critical areas during the root cause problem-solving session. Thanks to this advanced preparation with Copilot, the meeting is a huge success. After the meeting, Lynne once again calls on Copilot to summarize the key outputs from the session. Copilot quickly compiles the most important insights and next steps, providing Lynne with a concise summary that she can share with her team. This summary is incredibly useful for communicating internally, helping to align the team on the key initiatives that will follow, and ensuring everyone knows what steps are expected moving forward. With that, we've come full circle on how to use Microsoft Updates, Power Automate, Power BI, and Copilot to support digital lean management and streamline continuous improvement processes. We've seen how Lynne, a plant manager at Evergreen Renewable Energy, integrates Microsoft Updates into her daily Gemba Walks, allowing her to capture and log critical issues in real time. By automating the flow of this information through Power Automate, the data is instantly recorded, providing her team with up-to-date logs for immediate action and future analysis. From there, we demonstrated how easy it is to transform this data into insightful, actionable reports using Power BI. With just a few clicks, Lynne was able to auto-generate a report, giving her a clear view of trends and root causes, all from the data submitted through Microsoft Updates. Finally, we added a bit of Copilot magic to the mix. By using AI to brainstorm, categorize ideas, and summarize key outputs, Lynne was able to run an incredibly efficient root cause problem-solving session, keeping her team aligned and focused on the most pressing issues. What makes all of these tools so powerful is that they work seamlessly together, providing a fully integrated system that reduces administrative burdens, ensures data is always current, and ultimately drives continuous improvement. And the best part? Everything can be done in one place, Microsoft Teams, making it easier than ever to build your lean management system. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated on more tips for using digital tools to enhance lean management. And as always, remember that keeping things visual, simple, and connected is the key to driving effective and lasting change. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.